15 habits to learn from successful people. 1. Dream big. 2. Treat problems as a great gift and never give up. 3. Keep searching for solutions. 4. Remember that everything good or bad is about the journey to success. 5. Even if you feel fear on the road to success, do it anyway and go for it. 6. Always ask productive questions. 7. Understand that complaining is the best waste of energy. 8. Don't blame anyone and learn to take responsibility. 9. Maximize your strengths. 10. Be productive to win. 11. Know that one success attracts another new success. 12. Be ambitious on your way to success. 13. Visualize success in your mind. 14. Be original and do not imitate anyone. 15. Know that now is the time to act.